Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a phone on Cashify Easy Guide. First, open the Cashify application on your smartphone or visit their website. On the home page, you will see a prominent search bar. Type in your phone's brand and model there. This step is crucial for accurate valuation, ensuring you get the best possible price for your device without any hassle. Next, you will answer a few simple questions regarding your phone's current condition. These questions cover aspects like screen damage, body dents, and the functionality of components such as the camera or charging port. For instance, if your screen has minor scratches, select that option. Honesty here is vital for a smooth transaction, as the provided information forms the basis of your offer. Once you have completed the assessment, Cashify instantly generates an offer for your phone. You will see a clear price displayed, for example, 2,499 rupees for a gently used device. This offer is typically valid for a short period, like 72 hours, giving you ample time to consider it. If you are satisfied, simply accept the offer and proceed to the next step without delay. After accepting the offer, you can easily schedule a pickup at your convenience. Select a date and a 2-hour time slot that works best for you, perhaps between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. on a weekday. Remember to back up all your important data and perform a factory reset on your phone before the agent arrives. This protects your personal information and prepares the device for its new owner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.